The Redmi Note 7 Pro. Now this is one review that should have gone live a while back. Gaming smartphones and super zooms kept getting in the way, but finally we've got the time here. Now if this is your first time here, or if you've gotten tired of waiting for and have kind of forgotten, my name's Ash, you're watching C4 Retech and welcome to my full review of the Redmi Note 7 Pro. Let's get started. If you do end up liking what you see here, please don't forget to turn on notifications by hitting that tiny little bell icon down below. Come on, do it. Do it now. So there are 4 things that Redmi has absolutely nailed here with the Redmi Note 7 Pro. So let's start with number 1, the build. I'm not really gonna get into this much since it's the same as what we've seen with the Redmi Note 7. Gorilla Glass 5 to the front and back. It's held together by a plastic frame. It feels nice in hand. It's arguably the best looking build for the segment. Now, the second thing that Redmi has nailed, that's gotta be the internals. The Note 7 Pro, it has got the 11nm Snapdragon 675 chip along with 4 or 6 gigs of RAM and 64 or 128 gigs of storage with an option to expand it further via microSD if needed in the form of a hybrid slot. Now the Snapdragon 675, it is a killer performer. Even with intense tasks like gaming, it doesn't have any issues pushing all those pixels. With regular day-to-day usage, MIUI 10 here that is built on top of Android 9 Pie, it complements the hardware beautifully. It's snappy, it's fast, apps are quick to load, the interface is super responsive, the ads are annoying, yes, but if you can look past that, you are really gonna enjoy your experience here. Whether you're jumping from app to app or just checking your Twitter feed, the Note 7 Pro is super fluid. The navigation gestures are smooth too, facial recognition is present and accounted for, it's quick. Talking about quick, so is the fingerprint scanner. Redmi has continued to even support an IR blaster here, so you can go ahead control appliances like televisions and air conditioners with your Redmi Note 7 Pro. And no matter what you're doing, controlling appliances or watching a video, everything you do on this 6.3-inch IPS LCD panel manages to look beautiful. This is an excellent Full HD Plus panel. Viewing angles, colors, brightness levels, no complaints. Redmi has done a great job here. Now the third thing they've nailed, it's gotta be the battery life. The 4000 mAh battery, it's good enough to go all day even when you use your phone a lot. In my week with the Note 7 Pro, on days where I used a fair amount of GPS, some gaming, shot a bunch of camera samples for testing, and as always my days had an hour of calls at least, a couple of hours of music, all via Bluetooth of course, some streaming video. With usage like this, I still managed to end my days with at least 30% in the tank. Now Redmi only includes a 10-watt adapter in the box, but the Note 7 Pro does have support for Quick Charge 4. So if you can get your hands on a 27-watt adapter, you should be able to charge it up real fast. And that brings us to the 4th USP of this phone, the cameras. Now Redmi's gone all out here. They've taken the same primary sensor from the flagship Xiaomi Mi 9, the 48 megapixel Sony IMX 586, and they've stuck it in here. It's paired with a f1.8 lens and a secondary 5 megapixel depth sensor. Now under good light, the Note 7 Pro performs really well. The images are well detailed, the colors pop, the detail level goes even higher when the 48 megapixel mode is turned on. Yes, it shoots downsample 12 megapixels by default. 48 megapixels is an option you'd need to turn on manually from the Pro mode. Now the dynamic range, it's best in class too. Just look at the detail in the shadows here. Under low light, the Note 7 Pro gets the Xiaomi night mode, so it gets really good shots. It shoots 12 megapixels with an effective pixel size of 1.6 microns. That coupled with a fast f1.8 lens and that night mode means great results like this. Now there is Gcam support too, thanks to Camera 2 API being enabled. Now, this means night sight is something we get, and that kind of kicks things up a notch. Now as far as videos go, it can shoot 4K 30 FPS, but stabilization is only available at Full HD. The performance here is again quite similar to stills, so good. With selfies, the 13 megapixel camera here gets the job done. Here are a couple more examples. The Note 7 Pro did a good job with both regular shots and portraits. So overall, Redmi's thrown in some powerful optics here. Now before we wrap, sun breeze. The speaker output, not too loud, but it is clear. The cellular reception and call quality were fine, no complaints. The audio via the headphone jack, that was clean too. Now, remember how at the start of the video I said Redmi has nailed 4 things with the Redmi Note 7 Pro? Well, to think about it, they've actually nailed 5 things, the 5th being pricing. The Note 7 Pro starts at 14,000 rupees here in India, and at that price, it is one hell of an offering. Its price to performance is unrivaled. Okay, probably not. The Poco F1 offers similar price to performance, but at this segment, as of today, there is absolutely nothing on the market that offers better value for money. Again, in this segment, right? So if you are looking to pick up a phone in the 14-15K segment, the Note 7 Pro is a no-brainer. There is one thing Redmi haven't nailed, and that would be the way of selling the phone. Flash sales, that is something that is still annoying, and you will have to brave through flash sales or wait for a little bit of time till the phones get a little bit more available. But if you're willing to be patient, then this is a no-brainer. This is a phone that will serve you well. So what do you think? Would you be interested in picking one up, or are the flash sales too annoying? What is your pick in the 15K segment? Let me know in the comments below. And with that, we get to the end of this video. Thumbs up, thumbs down based on whatever you felt about it. Subscribe, turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon if you haven't yet. And thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's oh yeah, have you checked out either of these videos or the channel FTJ? If not, please do that right now. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4 Retech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.